Welcome back to our series, guys. So in this one we are going to look at the array.concat method. Okay, so basically this array method is used to merge two or more arrays into a new array, and it doesn't change the existing array, but it actually returns a new array containing the values of both arrays. Okay, so basically what I have here is I have two arrays with named letters 1 and 2. So let me show you how the concat array method works. So I'm going to create another variable here, and I'm just going to call it result, and I'm going to set it to, so I'll start by saying letters 1 dot concat. Okay, and then in the brackets here I'm going to specify what I want to merge. Okay, and in this case I want to merge letters 2, sorry, and then I'll close. So let's come and console.log results and save, and I'll run that. So you can see that our result then gives us a combination of both arrays, so A down to F. All right, so the idea is we can actually merge more than one array. So basically what I'll do is I'll come down here and create an array of numbers, just to, make things a little bit crazy. So I'm going to merge the numbers inside of this already merged array. So I'll just come here, I'll add a comma, and I'll say numbers, and then I'll save, and let me run this code so we can see. So you see here that we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so basically that's how the concat array method works. Okay, really easy, straightforward. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe and to leave a like on this video. See you later.